Today, I'm going to tell you in just 2 minutes what many people take 10 or 15 to explain. A lot of people ask me on the channel, how is it possible that my fruit trees produce so much fruit? What do I do to get my avocados, lemon trees, mangoes, orange trees, or guavas to produce so much? And the answer is really simple. I use natural fertilizers, traditional recipes that have worked for years. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most effective ones. To prepare it, we need 2.6 gallons of clean water, preferably chlorine-free, in a large bucket. This will be the base for our natural concentrate. Now, add a tablespoon of sugar. The sugar feeds the beneficial microorganisms in the soil, helping the earth become more alive and allowing the roots to absorb nutrients better. Next, add a tablespoon of yeast. Yeast activates the microbial life in the soil and helps stimulate the growth of the tree's roots. The next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. Coffee provides magnesium and minerals, which are very important nutrients for strong leaf growth and proper fruit development. And finally, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of clean wood ash. Ash is a natural source of potassium and calcium, nutrients that are fundamental for strengthening the roots and improving fruit production. Now, simply mix everything very well until the ingredients are fully dissolved in the water. And that's it. Our natural fertilizer is ready. To apply it, just pour it directly around the base of the tree. If the tree is young, less than 2 years old, about half a gallon will be enough. If it's a mature tree, more than 2 or 3 years old, 1 gallon around the trunk will be more than enough. Ideally, you should apply it once a month to keep the soil active and nourished. This fertilizer works because it combines active microorganisms from the yeast, potassium and calcium from the ash, and magnesium and minerals from the coffee. All of this helps the tree grow stronger, bigger, and more abundant. An important tip when applying it: always do it early in the morning or at sunset when the sun is no longer strong. This way, the soil retains moisture better and the nutrients are absorbed much more effectively by the tree's roots. These are small details, but they make a really big difference in the health and productivity of your fruit trees. And if you like this video, share it with more people who have fruit trees at home, because these kinds of natural recipes can really help you have healthier trees and much more abundant harvests.